Zechariah chapter 5.
When I looked the next time, I saw a flying scroll, and the angel asked,
"What do you see?"
"A flying scroll," I answered, "about 30 feet long and 15 feet wide." Then he told me,
"This scroll puts a curse on everyone in the land who steals or tells lies. The writing on one side tells about the destruction of those who steal, while the writing on the other side tells about the destruction of those who lie. The Lord All-Powerful has said, I am sending this scroll into the house of everyone who is a robber or tells lies in my name, and it will remain there until every piece of wood and stone in that house crumbles."
Now the angel who was there to explain the visions came over and said,
"Look up and tell me what you see coming."
"I don't know what it is," was my reply.
"It's a big basket,"
he said,
"and it shows what everyone in the land has in mind."
The lead cover of the basket was opened, and in the basket was a woman.
"This woman represents evil,"
the angel explained. Then he threw her back into the basket and slammed the heavy cover down tight. Right after this, I saw two women coming through the sky like storks, with wings outstretched in the wind. Suddenly they lifted the basket into the air, and I asked the angel, "Where are they taking the basket?"
"To Babylonia,"
he answered,
"where they will build a house for the basket and set it down inside."